Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully able to see all the data and also you are able to successfully log in with the user, and when you create any new user, by default our new user will be as a role will be as a user and status will be as a active, right? I hope everything is very much clear to you. Now friend, in this video I want to do, there have another two of this data. I have already seen some of the data in here, like there is a admin and also another one as a agent, right? Because I want to create as a multi-user authentication system. Like right now if you want to log in with the admin, better I copy it. So now that is our admin, and for the admin I have already set the password. If you go to our data sheet here, that is our factory, that is a user table seeder, right? So into the user table seeder you can see for the admin I have already added that as a 11, and then for the agent I have also added that password as a 111, right? And also I make it as a hash password. Like right now I want to log in as a 111. Now click as a login, and you can see right now we are successfully able to log in with the admin. Great. Okay, so here we are able to successfully log in with the admin. Now that is redirect to the user dashboard. Admin is also one of the users. So right now I want to check another one as an agent. So I copy it. Now I want to log in again with the agent and password was 111. Now click as a login. Yeah, right now we are also successfully able to log in with the agent. Great. Right now friend, I want to simply change that dashboard, because here I want to do for the user I want to access that / dashboard. For the agent I want to access another URL that will be like as a agent dashboard, and for the admin that will be as a admin dashboard. Okay, so now this type of one of the page first of all I want to create. Like right now I want to log in, and if you want to do this work we have to like right now we don't need it. I want to better close it. Also I close it. I have already done that seeder part. Everything is great. Now we have to go to our route, and that is our web.php. Okay, here now I want to create another new page, so that will be just like that same better. So now better I want to copy it. Okay, so here that is all the default route, so we don't need it. Actually you can also remove it from to this area. Right now it's totally fine. Better after that I want to paste it. Okay, right now that is one of the route, and that is will be one of the get method. I want to create one of the URL. Our URL will be like as a admin and then dashboard. Okay, that will be as an admin dashboard. And also I want to create another new controller, then that will be better. I want to create another new controller as an admin controller. Okay, so that will be as an admin controller. In our admin controller I want to create another method name. So here that will be our method. I want to create another method as an admin dashboard. Okay, the admin dashboard. Now this type of one of the method I want to create, and also you can use some of the name. Okay, that means our name route, you can, if you want to access it, you can actually access it by this name as a, I name it as a admin and dashboard. Okay, that will be the admin dashboard. Great. Right now first of all we have to create this controller as an admin controller. Better I copy it, and now if you go to our project, our PHP artisan service running, I want to open another CMD. Okay, I want to better open another CMD. Rather than, as I told you, you can also use it your terminal from this area. Okay, right now it's totally fine. I want to better use it, so that will be as a PHP artisan, and then make, I want to create another controller, and I want to create one of the controller name as the admin controller. Okay, now if you click as a enter in our direct controller area, now that should be created one of the new controller as a admin controller. Now if you go to our controller part, that means all that our controller will be saved in our app http and then in our controller folder, and here you can see I have created one of the new controller as a admin controller. Right, so now into the first of all job is we have to support it. Okay, in particular that area. Now first of all I want to support this one. Better I copy it and then I paste it. Now that will be in our app http controllers folder. I have created one of the new controller. Right here I have already created one of the new controller as an admin controller. Now better I want to support it. That will be as a admin controller. Okay friend, now we can actually able to access it. So that is our admin controller. Now we are able to access it, and now in our admin controller area I want to create one of the new method as a admin dashboard method. And now if you want to create it, we have to go to our admin controller. Into this admin controller, I want to create another new function that will be as a public, and then function. Sorry, that will be as a function. So that is a public function. Our method name will be as a admin dashboard. And better I put some of the note here that will be as a and method. Okay, that will be the and method. Great. So in particular this area only I want to return one of the view page. Okay, here I want to return one of the view page. So that will be the return view, and return view will be which one? Here better in our view. That means if you go to that our resources view. Okay, so that is actually our resources, and then that is our view. So into the view area I want to create some of the folder. Better I want to create on the new folder. Here I name that one of the folder as a admin related everything. I will save it particular this folder area. Great. And also I want to create another one. I want to create another one as agent related everything. I will save in our particular agent folder. So into the admin folder area, now here I want to create on the new page. I click as a open, and I want to create on the new page, whatever the name actually you choose. Right now I name it as a admin. Okay, that will be the admin dashboard .blade.php. Make that sure extension is very important. So now I have created on the new file that will be as admin dashboard.blade.php. Great. Now here I want to load one of the simple HTML file. I want to simply load it on the HTML file. They have some of the head, they have some of the title. A title I make it as a admin dashboard. Okay, that will be the admin dashboard. And also I want to load on the h1 tag. That will be as h1 will be as a close. Okay, I want to close it. Great. So now into this area I want to load some of the name that will be as a admin dashboard. Great. So here right now if you want to access it, now click as a save all. I have already, they have some of the error in our controller. Here you can see I didn't use that as a semicolon. So right now that should be one of the semicolon. And now here we have to load our page. That means that will be return view in our which page that I have created, that is in our view. And then that will be our admin folder, right? So that will be the admin folder. Into the admin folder here now I want to access our admin_dashboard. So that will be the admin dashboard. Great. Now that should be returned direct to a particular this page. Right now here if you go, when you want to access that URL as a /admin, it should be hit our admin dashboard in our admin controller. So into the admin controller, admin dashboard, one of the method. When that will be hit, it will be return one of the view page in our admin folder. I have already created one of the page as the admin dashboard. So that is our admin dashboard. Right now let's check this out. If you now want to access it, I copy it. Now go there. I want to do after that will be as a admin/dashboard. Now click as a enter. Yes, you can see another HTML page is successfully loaded. Okay, so now I want to do the same things for the agent. So if you want to do this work, I also want to create another controller. Then that will be actually better. I want to create another controller with the PHP Artisan make controller. I want to create another one as agent controller. Okay, that will be the agent controller. Now click as enter. I have created another controller as agent controller. Our first job will be the same. Here we have to load it. I better copy it, and after that I paste it. Now I have created one of the new one that will be as agent controller. I want to copy it, so that will be here as a agent controller. I simply support it. Now we have to create another route. Better I copy it, and after that I want to paste it. So now that will be as a agent dashboard, and our route name I name it as a agent dashboard. I have created our controller name as a agent controller, so that will be as a agent controller. Here I want to create another new method as a agent. Okay, agent dashboard. Great. Now this type of one of the method we have to create in our agent controller. So now go to that our agent controller. Here that will be actually just like that same. I want to simply return again, create another public and then function. So, and then our method name will be as a agent dashboard. Okay, here I simply created this one, and that will be as a and method. Okay, that will be the and method. And here I want to simply return again return on the view page. So that will be as a return view, and return view will be which one? I have already created one of the folder as a agent, and into this agent folder now I want to create another new page as a agent underscore dashboard. Okay, that will be the agent dashboard. Great. Now I want to create, like if you go to again our resources view, into the resources view I have created already one of the folder as a agent. Now here I want to create on the new page as a agent dashboard. I want to create on the new page that will be as a agent dashboard dot blade dot php. Okay, great. And also I want to load another HTML. Now that will be as a agent. Okay, sorry, here that will be as a agent dashboard. That will be as a agent dashboard, and I also want to take another h1 tag. So that will be as a h1. Okay, now h1 I want to close it. Here that will be as a h1. Okay, I simply close it, and now here I want to use it as a agent dashboard. Great. So right now if you want to access that our agent dashboard, our URL will be which one? That will be as a agent dashboard. If you copy it, now if you go, I want to access now as a agent dashboard. Now click as a enter. You can see it's now successfully loaded our another page as a agent dashboard. Great. Right now there is a agent dashboard. Also there is another page here I have created as a admin dashboard. Right, that will be the admin dashboard. Now our admin dashboard page is loaded and agent dashboard page is loaded. I hope friend everything is very much clear to you. Simply I created two of this page, and now I loaded both of these page in here. So friend, now we have to actually add some of the trick here. Now we have to do, or we have to simply apply this condition. When you successfully logging with the user will be returned redirect to the /dashboard. And when you successfully logging with the agent, it should be check our role, right? Because our role is different. Here if you go, our role is different as an admin role, agent role, or rather than user role. When that will be as a user, it should be returned redirect to our user dashboard. When that will be as a admin, it should be returned redirect to our this page as a admin dashboard. When that will be a role will be as a agent, it should be returned redirect to the agent dashboard. So how to do this work with using some of the simple middleware? In our next video, I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.